Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to put the lime and the coconut, but we're not going to drink it all up. We're going to turn it into gelato in the Ninja Creami. So, what are we going to need? This is a really simple recipe. It's quite difficult to balance this with sugar substitutes because you can't use as much and it really then lacks the solids. So it is really tough. It's not impossible, but it's just much harder with like allulose or xylitol or whatever. So straight sugar this time. What you're gonna need is 300 grams of coconut cream, 250 grams of whole milk, 128 grams of sugar, 50 grams of skim milk powder, 10 grams of lime zest, half a gram of salt, and 2 grams of our stabilizer. And we're going to use guar in this stabilizer because I don't really want to heat this up and destroy those proteins of the coconut. So let's get everything mixed together. So the first thing we're going to do is get our liquids in our pan. So our 250 grams of milk. For those interested, I talk about the difference between grams and milliliters on a Patreon post today. Lots of science for ice cream goes on there. So if you want to support this channel, head over to Patreon. It would be greatly appreciated. And into that, we're going to add 300 grams of our coconut cream. Make sure you stir your coconut cream because it will separate with the fat at the top and the liquid at the bottom. So we want to try and get this as even as possible. Should be the whole can. Near enough. It's probably another 25 grams worth of coconut cream in there. And that is our liquid. Let's just use this pot for the dry ingredients. Straight into there, we're going to put in our sugar, 128 grams. Into that, 50 grams of skim milk powder, a tiny pinch of salt, so it's half a gram, not a lot. That's way too much. So it's like a good pinch, really, as opposed to a bad pinch, I guess. And finally, we're going to go in with our guar, 2 grams. Some people ask how long stabilizers last. This guar is now 3 years old. And it's been sealed up in this Ziploc in the bag it came in. Still just as good, just as functional, and just as dry as the day I bought it. So there's that. Let's sling that together. That just breaks up our stabilizer powder to make sure there's no clumping. There is all our dry ingredients apart from the zest. That can now go into our liquids. Let's give this a stir together. Gonna go straight in with the zest of this whole lime. And let's stir that together. Perfect. Let's get this on the heat and just get this warmed up enough to dissolve all those powders, so the sugar and the skim milk powder, and then we'll take it off and get it in our container. Right, with just a couple of minutes of stirring that together, we're not really bringing that heat up that high. We can now just pour this into our container. And that is ready to go in the freezer. By warming up this base, we are allowing those lime oils to come out of that zest and then permeate into that liquid. We're allowing all the solids to completely hydrate, and we're also breaking down the fat of our coconut cream. So, overnight in the freezer, come back in the morning. Super warm day today. Perfect time for a tropical gelato like coconut and lime, sprinkled with a bit of that lime zest on top. Delicious. Incredibly refreshing. That coconut not overtaking that lime zest, perfect balance. Really creamy. Oh, it's so good. The Ninja Creami really benefits from spinning up gelato-based recipes because of the lack of overrun. That denser feeling that you get from a Ninja Creami really does benefit gelato style. Absolutely delicious. This is going to go back in the freezer. That skim milk powder really is essential in this recipe because coconut-based recipes often come out a little bit thin, so they don't taste as luxurious as they can do. And that's just because the amount of solids that we're struggling with. By not using cream, and that milk powder really boosts that solid content, really creates something that is traditionally a really luxurious ice cream or gelato. Make sure to give this one a try. It's super easy to do. Perfect Ninja Creami recipe for these hot days. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the middle of the week, because for the next few weeks, I'm going to do 2 videos every week, peak season. Let's get those ice cream recipes going. See you next time.